Good morning, children. Today we'll start with another case of finding out the new profit sharing ratio. But before we start with that, let us look at this. Till now, what we were doing was that this is the firm, and suppose the total share of the firm is 100. A takes 70 from this 100 and B takes 30 from this 100. Now C, a new partner, was coming, say for 20. So now out of 100 we used to subtract this 20. Now 80 is left as the share, and this 80 was being shared by A and B in their old ratio, which is 7:3. So out of this 80, 7 by 10 A was taking and 3 by 10 B was taking. Now the question that we'll do today is like this, where suppose we are taking the same example. The share of the firm is again 100, out of which A has 70 and B has 30. Now C comes in and A gives 15 from his share and B gives 20 from his share. So now what is the new share of A? Out of 70 he has given 15 to C. So 70 minus 15 is what he is left with. So he is left with how much? 55. B is left with how much? B had a share of 30 and 20 he is giving to C. So B is left with 10 and C has got 15 from A and 20 from B. So C's total share is 15 plus 20, which is 35. So this is how we look at the question depending on the language of the question. Now let us look at case number 3, which is when the new partner acquires his share in a particular ratio. So now I say, look at question number 2. A, B and C are partners sharing profits as 3:2:1. D comes in for 1/8 share, which D is taking equally from B and C. Okay. So now half of 1/8 he is taking from B and half of 1/8 he is taking from C. So what is half of 1/8? 1/8 into half, which is 1/16. So 1/16 B is giving and 1/16 C is giving. So when B gives away 1/16, how much is B left with? B's new share will be 2/6 minus 1/16, which is 13/48. C's share was 1/6. So now out of this 1/6, C is giving away how much? 1/16. So C's new share is 5/48. Okay. And A has not given anything, so A's share remains the same. And now we have to express this as ratio. So we have to make the denominator same. So we have to make the denominator 48 for everybody. So A's share becomes 24/48 and D's share becomes 6/48. So my ratio becomes 24:13:5:6. Right? Now let us look at another question. Again, it is exactly the same question apart from the language. X and Y have a share of 3:2. Now Z comes in for 1/4 share, which he takes from X and Y in the ratio of 2:1. This is question number 6 that I have sent you. Okay. So which means 2/3 of 1/4, right? 2/3 of 1/4 he is taking from X and 1/3 of 1/4 he is taking from Y. So how much does Z take from X? Z takes from X 1/4 into 2/3, 2/12. Z takes from Y 1/4 into 1/3, which is 1/12. So what is X's new share now? X's share was 3/5 and X has given 2/12 to Z. So x's share is now 3 by 5 minus 2 by 12. Y's new share is, y had a share of 2 by 5 and y gave away 1 by 12 to z. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 12. And z came in for 1 by 4. So again we make the denominator equal. So 60 is the LCM. 26 is to 19 is to 15. Clear? Now, the fourth way of finding out the new sacrificing ratio, or the fourth way in which you can get a question, is when the old partners surrender a part of their share. For example, look at question number 7. R and S are partners with a share of 5:3. T is admitted. R gave 1/4 of his share. 1/4 of his share. So how much did R give to T? 1/4 of 5 by 8 he has given to T. So 1/4 of 5 by 8 comes to this. This is how much he has given to T. And S gave 1/5 of his share, which means 1/5 into 3 by 8, which comes to 3 by 40. This is what S has given to T. Now, what is R's new share? R had a share of 5 by 8 and R has given 5 by 32. So, R's new share will be 5 by 8 minus 5 by 32. Similarly, the new share of S will be 3 by 8 minus what he has given to T, which is 3 by 40. So 3 by 8 minus 3 by 40, which is 12 by 40. And what will be the share of T? T has taken 5 by 32 plus 3 by 40. So T's new share will be 5 by 32 plus 3 by 40, which is 37 by 160. Now again we have a fraction of 15 by 32, 12 by 40 and 37 by 160. We have to express it as ratio. So the denominator has to be made equal. So we take the LCM, it comes to 160. Then 75 is to 48 is to 37. Is it clear?